everyone, you're watching JavaScript for Beginners lesson 14. So what exactly is DOM? DOM stands for Document Object Model. As the name suggests, it simply determines where the content should be on the page and how each element of the content should relate it with the other elements. And we can simply use DOM to build web pages, navigate through the web pages, and we can even add or delete item on the web page. Now that we know what DOM is, let's simply break down the abbreviation one by one. So what exactly is a document? Document is nothing but the simple web page. As you can see here, we just got a web page of Wikipedia, which is nothing but a simple document. And what exactly is object? Object is nothing but the elements which are present on the document. In this case, we can simply say that we have some paragraphs, headings, and list on the Wikipedia site. So these are nothing but the objects that are present on the document. Last but not the least, model. What exactly is model? Model is nothing but the tree representation of objects. Usually the DOM are represented in a tree form. In this case, the document is at the top, followed by the root element HTML and followed by the subsequent elements which are present on the document. So it simply helps us to understand how things work when they are put together. Let's say that we are building a house and we can't simply build the house without any blueprint or maps. So that's how exactly document tree objects model works in order to understand how things work together. We can also do tons of animations, form validations and much more using the DOM. Let's dive deep into DOM in the further videos. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.